everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to rename the hostname of an Ubuntu Server 22. Changing the hostname can be useful for various reasons, such as organizational requirements or personal preferences. So, let's get started. Okay, first things first, we need to gain access to the server. To do that, we'll be using the root user account. The root user has administrative privileges, which means we'll have full control over the server. So, let's log into the server with the root user and start managing things. Let's type the command clear to clear the screen. To determine the current hostname, let's execute the command hostname_ctl. To update the hostname, we need to edit the /etc/hostname file. In the terminal, type sudo nano/etc/hostname. This will open the file in the nano text editor. Replace the current hostname with your desired name. Once you're done, press Ctrl X, then Y, and finally enter to save the changes. Next, we need to update the hosts file to reflect the new hostname. In the terminal, type sudo nano/etc/hosts. In this file, you'll see a line starting with 127.0.1.1. Replace the old hostname with your new one. Again, press Ctrl X, then Y, and finally enter to save the changes. Let's type the command hostname_ctl again to check the hostname now. We can observe that the static hostname has been updated, and we can still see the old name listed as the transient hostname. To apply the changes, we need to reboot the server. In the terminal, type sudo reboot to initiate the system reboot. The server has been rebooted. Let's log in again and check the hostname now. And that's it. You've successfully renamed the hostname of your Ubuntu Server 22. Remember, changing the hostname can affect certain services and applications that rely on the server's name, so make sure to update any configurations accordingly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy computing!